Howdy legends, Bailey here from Outback Equipment. Today we've got the brand new Mean Mother tyre deflators and we're going to show you how these ones work. Alright guys, so out of the packet you've got your 4 tyre deflators here, so super similar to your traditional brass tyre deflators, just with a few little modifications to make these a bit easier to use. You also get a handy little carry case to store them when you're not using it. Mean Mother has made this super simple to use, so with the design here, when you're setting your PSI, all you need to do is unscrew this top piece. You can clearly see the PSI listed on the side of the valve here. So that allows for easy adjustment between all 4 of your tyre gauges. So what you want to do is thread this into the desired PSI setting. For instance, if you're going onto the beach, you might want to set this from around 18 to 20 PSI. So that's what we're going to do now. Once you've done so, just screwing back on this lock nut here, and that one just sets your PSI ready to use. So you're just going to want to remove your valve cap from your tyre. Pretty handy feature on the Mean Mother tyre deflators. You can actually thread it onto the top so you don't lose it while you're deflating your tyres. Next step is just to thread your tyre deflator onto your valve stem here. You may hear a little bit of air escaping as you thread that on, but to initiate the deflate, you're just going to want to pull the valve core out like so, and it'll start deflating. So then after that, you're just gonna head round to all 4 tyres, putting the valves on the same way, and by the time you do that, pretty much be ready to remove the first one. So once you hear that there's no more air coming out of the deflator itself, you're pretty much ready to go and remove your tyre deflator. So that's all done deflating now, guys. We'll just remove that, and for your first run, don't forget to check that with a gauge just to make sure it's your desired PSI. So guys, this one comes with all 4 tyre deflators, one for each of your 4 wheels, and a handy little carry case. These ones are available all day, every day, outbackequipment.com.au. If you have any questions about these, feel free to drop it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.